With current soil samples, I believe we fall short in consistent, accurate results, and also the time that it takes to get those results back to a person.
The past soil sampling methods, and even soil sampling in general, is a pretty tedious process.
So with the GeoPress and GeoTubes, we can eliminate a lot of mislabeling errors or just errors in general when we're using a soil bag. So everything from once we pull the core, it is hands off and eliminates a lot of the errors we could have.
And as soon as they see some of the data that we're already collecting, it's been really neat to just hear their entire thought process change and kind of challenge what they've been doing. The reason we have so much potential with the Radicle Lab and just the whole system right now is because of the relationships built in the past through the Precision Planting dealership. We're already a place that growers are asking questions, being vulnerable with their production and management choices, and this is kind of the next piece of all of it.
So we chose Radicle over some other options. We felt that the accuracy and the efficiencies of it were very hard to beat.
I think we're at the tip of the iceberg when it comes to soil fertility information and data on the standard farming operation. We're excited to be at the very beginning and forefront of it and see how the increase in accurate and repeatable data we're able to present our growers with impacts their operations.